Every bottle begins long before the factory wakes. Fresh milk moves instantly into controlled channels. Temperature control preserves purity from the very first moment. Sealed and secured, it begins its journey to processing. Miles of road connect farm to facility. Speed meets safety in every mile traveled.
Every load is measured before it moves inside.
The heart of production awaits. The transfer begins, where raw becomes refined. The first transfer is sealed, sterile, and controlled. Impurities are removed before processing begins. Every drop moves through a monitored pathway. Inside, precision machines take over the next stage. Fat is carefully separated to control consistency.
Composition is calibrated to exact standards.
Balance is restored for consistent quality. Temperature begins its critical role. Safety is ensured through controlled heat. Every degree is measured, every second accounted for. Now stabilized, the milk advances deeper into processing. Pressure transforms structure at a microscopic level. Uniformity ensures every sip tastes the same. Consistency achieved, stability secured.
Held in sterile silence, ready for final stages.
Motion keeps quality perfectly balanced. Clean containers await precise filling. The journey now shifts toward final form. Everything aligns for speed and precision. Automation begins where precision meets scale. Every bottle receives the exact measured amount. Components align before final sealing. Sensors verify accuracy in real time. Seals are secured in fractions of a second. Every seal is verified before moving on. Identity is applied with precision timing. Each bottle carries its mark of origin. Individual units become organized for distribution. Protection is added to prepare for handling. Heat seals the pack with uniform tension.
Cooling stabilizes the final form.
Automation handles volume with exact repetition. Each layer builds a stable unit for transport. Tracking begins before it leaves the line. Verification ensures accuracy at every stage. The load is secured for movement and safety. Human control guides the final movement.
From line to storage, the system remains seamless.
Quality is checked continuously, not occasionally. Every batch is verified in controlled conditions. Samples are prepared with strict hygiene protocols. Composition is conformed down to precise values.
Safety is ensured through microbial control.
Conditions are maintained for accurate results.
Balance defines shelf life and taste.
Only verified batches move forward. Data connects every stage into one system. With approval secured, the process continues uninterrupted. All lines converge toward final distribution. Preparation ensures speed at the final stage. Stability guarantees safe delivery.
Cold chain integrity is maintained at every step.
Stability guarantees safe delivery.
Every shipment is cleared before departure.
The journey continues beyond the factory walls.
From plant to people, the system moves forward.
A continuous cycle of production never stops.
And this is how modern factories produce milk from start to finish.
Witness the systems that power everyday life.